Yeah, it's all rotten.
Yeah. So these screws right here, this like this one and that one, from all the years of putting paint, the Phillips won't go in them because they're.
Huh.
I've got a wire brush. I'll try.
Gotcha.
I might take a nail first and hit the center and see if it'll crack the paint. Then use a wire brush. Let me see if I got a nail. Oh yeah, I got it.
That's good.
So you saw John today?
No, I called him.
God, I've had that piece of wire, a long piece of it, since 1975.
Wow.
Can you believe that? And I never used it till just a little while ago. I used it to. That's a file. I use it to. Hey, don't look at the prices on this. Oh, that's something different. Unbelievable how expensive those fucking things are. Can you believe that, man? 20 little screws, they're $1 a piece almost. Fuck. Prices are so fucking crazy high now. Jeez. And nothing's ever going to come down again.
No.
Let me bring this down. How about? No matter, even if the gas goes down in price and stuff. Yeah, they'll never lower the prices again. They might have lowered them a little bit, you know, a few pennies or something to make you think everything's going back down, but they ain't never going back down.
Right.
I don't got my right glasses on. This might be an Allen wrench and not a Phillips. Well, it might be some special. Sometimes they have ones that are triangular shaped screws. If it's one of those, I'll have to get an actual. I don't know if it's a. Well, it might be a Phillips. Can't see though. I don't got the
So
glasses.
what do you got to get new wood and everything, or what do you got to do to fix it?
I'm going to cut it off right about here and buy a piece of this wood and just cut it off, and then what do you call, I got some stuff to try to preserve this little part where it's crapped out. I have to, so that the first step though is to get all the screws out, and then I'll coat this with some of that paint, and then I just have to go down and get the wood.
Right.
I got to find my saw too. I bought a saw years and years, about 30 years ago, that I've only used once when I was building my speed bike body. And it's in the box, just like brand new. I used it, I think, one time. I gotta go get my glasses. I'll be right back.
Gotcha.
I just gotta get the Phillips screwdriver.
Yep. Video 3 on Thursday, August 10th, 2023.
Let's see if this screwdriver. No, I don't think it's a Phillips. It must be one of those.
Oh yeah, regular one that you pull out with the claw of your hammer.
No, it's not a nail. It's a screw. 'Cause I pulled one out thinking it was a nail, and it's not. It's.
So maybe you have to grab it here and twist like this.
Yeah, but these ones here, how am I going to do that? Well, I could rip that piece of wood off.
Right.
I don't think they might be Allen heads, but I don't know if they are. I'll have to wait till I get mine.
They look like you have to turn them.
I'll be back in a second. I'll get what I got for you.
You need a pliers.
Oh no, let me get a wire brush and see if I can.
Okay.
get the stuff off.
Right on.